Welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through using the Extra Editor settings. To begin, open the Extra Editor. You will find the Extra Editor settings on the right side when you click the Format panel button, as well as on the top of the editor in the toolbar option. Starting with the Format panel, you can use the grid settings under the View option to remove or add the grid to the editor. The background settings allow you to change the background color of the canvas or add images using the image URL. The Page View and Shadows settings allow you to see your design on a single page and add shadows. Then, the Drawing options to enhance your drawing. Use the hiding feature of the Extra Editor to hide cable IDs, unused ports, and connectors to make your drawing more appealing and clutter-free. The Resize settings can be used to adjust the product or title block size. Then, we have the connection arrows and points settings. Enabling connection arrow settings is handy when you want to create a clone of your ports or need a guiding arrow while making connections. Connections point to make the connections. As you enable this, you can see the green highlight on the ports while you hover over them to make the connections. Then, there's the Guides option. Guides are represented by blue lines that appear when moving a product block or shape. They assist you in aligning shapes with precision on the drawing canvas. Next, we have the paper size settings. From the drop-down menu, select the paper size that fits your design. You can also choose between a portrait or landscape view for your canvas. Then, we have the page scale settings, which are handy when measuring the floor plans. You can select different measuring units from the drop-down menu and scale your floor plan by area or distance. You can also find the scaling option on the toolbar to quickly measure your floor plan. You have the option to customize your product block style by selecting and changing the block color, the outline of the block, or if you want rounded borders, etc. You can also customize the font style, the color of the connectors, or the background color of the product block using the text settings. Use the Arrange settings to resize and position the block and connectors. Additionally, you can access your Format panel settings from the View option drop-down. Then, we have layers that organize and segregate your design elements. This can be helpful when you want to showcase different parts of your design separately, such as various product categories. Click on the Add Layers option. If you untick the display layer, you'll notice that the selected section will disappear from your default design. Next, we have the Unsync Add Products option, which allows you to unsync a product from your BOM but keep it in your design. Choose the product you want to unsync and click the Add button in the Unsynced Product dialog box. Be sure to save the changes afterward. Upon returning to your bill of material page and refreshing it, you'll observe that the display has been unsynced but remains in the drawing. Then, the Connections and Waypoints option will help you enhance and customize your designs while making the connections. Then, we have the Insert option. Once you click on it, you can add different shapes, links, text, images, templates, layout, etc. Next is the Table option. Clicking on it allows you to add tables to your design. Next, you'll see the Pull BOM Changes button, designed to synchronize product updates from BOM to the editor. Then we have View Design Docs. This allows you to navigate to Extras Documents page. Finally, the Check Connections with the AI option analyzes your designs and prompts you if there is an invalid connection. That's all for this video. For more tutorials and information, please visit x1080.com.